हेलो यार, लगता है बिजली चली गई। ओह माय गॉड यार, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पावर कट हो गया। अब क्या करेंगे? ओह नो।
Such emergencies are very often in our life. So, to tackle them, we have introduced a new range of products from Unimills, from Unitech. In these products, we have two variants. First is UniWindNet. I have a model for you. When the wind is been blown and then the fans will rotate, which will create electricity and can be stored in the battery for future use. Battery can be used for many purposes like charging of mobiles, laptops, and even when there is a power cut-off, you can use to light off the fans or tube lights. The best part about this is that the fans and the frame is transparent, so it won't hinder the looks of the window and it won't block the fresh air from coming. And the second variant is our Uniwagon. This is the model of Uniwagon. As you can see, it's also a transparent just like our UniWindNet. And the motor is such that it is thin and doesn't hinder the looks of your car. I will pass on the model and you can have a look at it.
The model of the wagon has been so designed that people won't mind it to place on their cars. Now, anyone would think that if I am having a 10 lakh rupee car, why should I place something like this on the top of my car? But if you have noticed a moving fan, then when you see that it's moving, you cannot actually identify where the wing is. Similarly, when the wings of the Uniwagon would be moving due to the speed of the car, one would not be able to see Uniwagon is placed on the top of the car. And it also serves the purpose, like for example, I am going from Ahmedabad to Delhi on a business trip, and it's very often that we get battery failures in our cars. So this purpose can be solved. Uniwagon creates electricity through wind energy, and this electricity can be used to store battery, regenerate the battery.
And the best part about the product is that they can easily be removed. If anyone wants to remove the fan, let me show you. So only motor can be seen over here. So it won't hinder the looks in future. And both the products can easily be removed. So that's the biggest advantage on our product.
Now we move on to the price of our product. I would invite Siddharth Utlani to do the price slide.
We offer Unimills at the most affordable price. I know one would think, why not buy an inverter? But buying an inverter is shelling of tens of thousands of rupees, and that's what gives us edge over others. We offer Uniwindnet at a price of 2,990. It will be offered in a 12-fan set. If anyone wants an extra fan, it will be costing 250. The Uniwagon is offered for 2,000. We use parity pricing policy.
Coming on to the promotions. Promoting our product is one of the most essential things, and here we are to do the same.
There are various ways in which we can promote our product, and some of this which we have used are newspaper ads. We have signed contracts with many newspaper companies like Hindustan Times, the Times of India, and so on. The next slide would be the newspaper ad for Uniwindnet. The next slide would be the newspaper ad for Uniwagon. The next media which we have used is magazine ads. Magazine ads are also a vital media for advertising a product, and so we have not left that option too. We have signed contracts with many magazine companies like India Today, 4Ps, Digit, and many companies are being approached. This is the magazine ad for Unimills, Uniwindnet, and Uniwagon.
The next is TV commercial. We are having our TV commercials in both Hindi and in English, and these are the same.
अरे नेताजी, हमारे गांव में पिछले कई दिनों से बिजली की चोरियां हो रही है, जिससे बिजली की कटौती हो रही है। कुछ कीजिए ना नेताजी।
अरे भैया, अगर बिजली चाहिए तो पैसा लगेगा।
पर नेताजी, आप उन चोरों को पकड़वा क्यों नहीं लेते?
अरे बबुआ, तुम राजनीति नहीं जानते क्या? अगर तुम हमें कुछ दोगे तो ही हम तुमको कुछ देंगे।
देखा, यहाँ भी अगर हम कुछ दे तो ही हमें मिलता है। अगर देना ही है तो इन भ्रष्ट नेताओं को देने से तो अच्छा है कि हम पर्यावरण को दें जो हमें इतना कुछ देता है।
तो ले आइए यूनिमिल, जिसे आप इस तरह खिड़की पे लगा के बना सकेंगे बिजली विंड एनर्जी से। इसका यूनिविंड नेट जो आप घर की खिड़की पे लगा सकेंगे और यूनिवैगन जो आप गाड़ी के ऊपर लगा सकेंगे। यूनिमिल्स फ्रॉम यूनिटेक।
The next is our English TVC.
Yeah, come on, yeah, come on.
Oh.
Yeah.
This is called hidden energy in that thin guy. Similarly, hidden energy is there in blowing winds, which can be captured by the new Unimill at your window like this. So bring the new Unimill net to create electricity at your window and new Uniwagon to create electricity in your car. Unimills from Unitech.
Radio jingles. Our radio jingles will be aired on radio stations like 92.7 Big FM, 98.3 Radio Mirchi, and these are our radio jingles.
Hello? कौन?
नमस्कार, आदाब। मैं हूँ अमिताभ बच्चन, कौन बोलेगा आपको? मेरे सामने है आपके दोस्त महेश राठौड़, जो 1 करोड़ के सवाल के लिए आपसे फोन फ्रेंड की हेल्प चाहिए। तो क्या आप तैयार हैं?
अरे मेरे मोबाइल में बैटरी नहीं है और मेरे घर पे बिजली भी चली गई। नहीं, आई एम सॉरी। हेलो।
और बेहद अफसोस के साथ आपकी फोन फ्रेंड की लाइफलाइन वेस्ट हो गई। मेरी राय मानिए, अपने फ्रेंड को रेकमेंड कीजिए यूनिमिल्स फ्रॉम यूनिटेक। एक ऐसा आविष्कार होगा जिससे आप घर बैठे बना पाएंगे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वो भी विंड एनर्जी की मदद से। तो आज ही देवी और सज्जनों ले आइए यूनिमिल्स फ्रॉम यूनिटेक अपने नजदीकी यूनि स्टोर से। कॉल 1800-100-1010।
Glorious, wasn't it? We are having a English radio jingle as well, and it works on the same theme as the Hindi one. Next, we are also giving out online advertising. We are doing advertisements on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, and this is one such example. Outdoor advertising. We are also into outdoor advertising, and we have placed our banners all around the city, all around the state, country, and globally.
The company strategy. For branding of our product, we use the umbrella marketing strategy. The umbrella marketing strategy means that we use the same prefix in all our products' name. For example, in ours we use Uni, Unimills, Uniwagon, Unistores, and so on. This umbrella marketing strategy creates a long-lasting impression on our customers' mind, and so it helps us in very ways.
Distribution system of our product will be explained by Jamin Rajaguru.
After having promoted our products, now comes the question, how do we distribute the same? With the introduction of 2 new variants from Unimills, we have now made a major change in the way we distribute our products. We have successfully opened the stores under the name of Unistores, and all our products, including our Unipan and Unimills, will be available at Unistores. You can also place your order by calling us at 1800-100-1010, or you can log on to our website www.unitechworld.co.cc.
Now, why should one buy Unimills? What are the benefits? What are the advantages that Unimills offer? This will be explained by Breeze Tanna.
Now we come to the question, why should we buy Unimill? Well, here is your answer. Firstly, Unimill is an affordable product. People will be able to buy this product at an affordable price and produce electricity at their homes in an easy way. Secondly, it's a portable device. This product can be carried from anywhere to everywhere, from one window to the another and from one car to the another.
Unimill as a product is a non-conventional source of energy. It uses non-conventional sources like wind for producing electricity. In simple terms, it does not consume electricity for producing electricity. Fourthly, one of the important determinants which will induce the consumers for buying this product is its transparency. The transparent nature of Unimill won't give the show of your window or the car. And lastly, there is no better way to pay back to the nature.
Market analysis. Now, it is obviously very necessary to make a deep market analysis of what product is to be launched. While thinking of what to be produced as a new product, once I was, sitting there at my office and having a meeting with some important clients. I had a power cut. My inverter apparently wasn't working that day. I called up for a generator. But then I realized that what's the point of creating electricity on the cost of some other energy resource? I went up to my window, I opened it, and I was encountered by a fresh breeze of air. And well, that's when I got a eureka moment. I felt that even though we cannot see this wind energy, there is this something that we can create electricity through wind energy. We are going through energy crisis. No sooner will we be in a world where there will be an energy crisis. And it is very essential for us to utilize each and every bit of energy that is around us. And that's what Unimills does. Target audience. Well, defining what our target audience is one of the main things in marketing. And now Shyam Gandhi and Hatim Bakaria will do.
Target audience. Figuring out our target audience is an important task. For analyzing this, we focus on two objects. Who will be our target audience and where it will be demanded.
Who will buy a product? This question is obviously solved as it will be demanded on a family basis. Unlike our last product, Unipan, where we can say that people in age group of 15 to 35 years would buy or demand the product. Here, in case of Unimills, at last we can say that the product would be demanded or bought not on individual basis but on family basis.
Where it will be demanded. A product can be demanded in both rural as well as urban areas as it serves to the electricity crisis which is faced by people living in both the areas. So, summing up, our product is demanded on family basis and both in urban as well as rural areas.
It is coming in the market from now on. We are having some other achievements as well. Like we are an ISO recognized firm. We are doing all that we can do for saving nature. We are supporting the Go Green movement. And we have some awards as well. We are having the Green Business Award and the Innovation Excellence Awards 2011.